Okay, guys, good morning, guys. Thank you very much for watching my videos on Khmer reading, practice reading Khmer consonant and alphabet or vowels in Khmer. So we have just finished the consonant and the vowels without the subscript. Now we're going to practice the Khmer consonant with its subscript here. So you see here, you learn Go, Kho, Ko, Ko, Ngo. So under each of these letter, it has its own subscript here. So the red dot below or underneath each of the consonant is we call Jung, the leg. Okay, so we're gonna practice this together. Okay, here. So this is all the rule here. Pretending the reading or the writing systems in Khmer. And please here practice writing or remember the subscript of each letter, because if you don't remember this, it is hard to read the Khmer letter. Okay, so let's go to our lesson 28. So now we can go to practice with the Ko, Chừng Đó, Ko Chừng Bó, Ko Chừng Gió, Ko Chừng O. So Khda, Khde, Khday, Khda, Khde, Tbo, Tbo, Tbu, Tba, Tbu, Tbia, Kse, Ksai, Ksai, Ksao, Ksau, Kaom, Kaom, Kaam, Ka, Kao, Kae, Kao. Here, guys. Sorry. This is Khday. So Ko Chừng Đó, Khdo đã sẽ Khday, Khdan, Khadam, Khadách, Khadập, Khduj, Khbong, Khbal, Khbương, Khsém, Khọ, Khóm, Khép, Khát, Khóc, Khda Khiền, Tu Khdaung, Chong Khbần, Khbo, Khbài, Khsém Khsàn, Côn Khét, Bo Pui, Lơ Tu Khdaung, Côn Khdám, Via Khbai Khom, Đạ Côn Khát. So Khom here. Khom actually it has a meaning. Khom